Oh my god.
Are you okay?
No, not really.
Oh shit. Are you okay, little jet?
Oh, oh shit.
Yeah, I can move this hard.
Okay. Are you intentionally doing the Family Guy pose, or is this a coincidence?
No, he ate shit coming off that bolt.
Yeah, I got that on video. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, upload that. Put that shit on Discord. If he's good.
Yeah, I will. It'll be on YouTube.
What happened?
He took it off the boat.
I
Did
caught
you
my
jump
leg.
off the front of it?
Yeah.
Overboard.
No.
Oh,
No, we're supposed to exit to the sides.
alright, sorry.
Did you fall into the water?
No, I think he tripped over this.
Alright.
Yeah, you want to jump over.
Content. I mean, that's not good, but content.